Previously, installing TPE diaphragms involved mounting the shaft, inner pistons, diaphragms, and outer pistons to the center section and torquing the assembly to specification. Before the liquid chamber could be installed, the old TPE diaphragms involved inverting the diaphragm to be able to install a liquid chamber. This process is challenging and frustration can occur, especially when making field repairs. Now, let's install the EZ-Install TPE diaphragms. Once again, we mount the shaft, inner pistons, diaphragms, and outer pistons to the center section and torque the assembly to specification. Now, we're free to install both liquid chambers without inverting diaphragms, pinched fingers, or expletives. In testing, these EZ-Install diaphragms have proven to meet Wilden's rigorous standards, while alleviating the challenges associated with TPE diaphragms.